Yung cap lang ng inyong three-way stop cap ang nakalagay, yung lower lock. So wala kayong hep lock. Ang hep lock kasi ito yung may rubber port, di ba? So kung ang nakalagay lang dyan yung cap, usually yan, pag hindi nyo ginagamit, ang open is from the bottle to your patient. Okay? So you observe yung first 5 natin dito, including yung observe nyo yung skin test, then yung patency ninyo. Then prepare your materials. So anong kailangan kong materials? I have my medication, my distilled water. Ilang syringe ang kailangan ko? 2 or 3? So I have 1 for my medication, 2 for my saline, for the flushing. And then, nakalagay pa rin dito sa ANSAP natin, we still have the heparinized solution. But it depends on the institutional policy. Here at the Medical City, we're not using the heparin anymore. And then we don't push to check for patency. We aspirate na dito. Kasi yung tendency, if you push, kung meron na siyang clotting doon, pag pinush mo lang, baka ma-instill mo lang yung clot, lalo lang pumasok. So anong laman ng heparinized solution natin? Anong dilution natin? Ilang heparin? 0.1 heparin and 0.9 na saline. So wag kakalimutan na wag baliktad. Wag 0.9 saline, 0.1 water. Okay. So let's assume I have here my medication. I have my saline here for flushing and then yung heparin ko. So before anong unahin ko? So magpa-flush muna ako. So paano to? I'll remove again my needle, open my cap without turning yung lower lock ko. So ang naka-open pa rin dyan, yung bottle to my patient. Naka-close tong lower lock. So open ko yan, insert ko tong needle ko, itong syringe ko, then that's the time I'm going to open na. Paano? Open ko lang po yung from my syringe to my patient. Klaro po? Then, I'll flush it. So, flush ko siya. After flushing, before removing your syringe, close nyo ulit. Then, that's the time to remove your syringe. Kasi kung inopen nyo yan, magba-backflow ka. Okay? Or kung naka-open yan, i-remove mo yung syringe mo, magba-backflow ka pa rin. Then, sunod mo yung medication. Okay? Then, I'll open again. Give my medication. After giving my medication, close it again. Remove my syringe. Get my flushing again. Another syringe. Open. Flush. Close. Then, last na, yung heparin. If you're still using heparin dun sa institution mo. So, last na yung heparin. Okay? Lock it with heparin. Close nyo ulit. Remove. Then, you close. You maintain the sterility ng cap ninyo, ha? Tapos, you close. Then, after closing, you regulate na. Observe your patient. After observing your patient, reassure. After reassuring, document, then discard yung mga ginamit. So we still have questions dito. Medyo komplikado lang to pero paulit-ulit lang naman.